Hi, it's Angeline here. I have a new crafty video with Unity stamp, and today's card is perfect for the guy in your life. So I'm going to make this vintage car cut using this beautiful stamp drawn by Tara Jackson, which I've colored in using my Prismacolor colored pencils. And then I'm grabbing a fall sheet here to just emboss it using the Tim Holtz texture fades, which is called Blueprints and Gears. And it's kind of cool to look at the effect. It kind of looks metallic, like a piece of metal. So this will add a nice interest to the card. And then I'm grabbing the Distress Oxide ink in Ice Spruce to just ink up the card edges and also all the other elements to give it a more vintage look. So here is how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!